Here's a quick video from the summit of Casa Grande. There's a number of them on YouTube, but a lot of people have asked me about the way up, and it's kind of difficult because a lot of times you're in the trees and stuff, but I think you start right down here. That's the obvious start point, and see how the trail comes to the right as you're going up of the ridge. Some people try to go up the ridge. Just to the right, in between the ridge and the trail, this is the Lost Mine Trail. Comes up here. I think the trail comes around this side of this rock formation, and then this side of that one, and then in between these two right down here. And then you come up this scree right over to here. There's a gap. Come over here. The views are awesome. I think the views are better here than Emery Peak, which is right there. I've been eyeing to see if there's a way to traverse, but I think it'd be a tough traverse across. If you make that across, you've got it made up. Cell phone signals up here aren't very good. I got some 3G. I think over here you're gonna do better. I didn't go over there this time. I set up my antenna right down here because, well, for a number of reasons, but I won't bore you with the details. On my way up, I found this. Look at that. Way up here near the peak, this shell. Look how cool that is. Over by 6728, my son and I found some of these as well. They're very thin. I started about 7:15, and the first parking lot was almost full. All kinds of people going over here for the Lost Mine Trail. I'm the only one up here today. My next goal is Lost Mine Peak, follow the trail up, and then head off. Yesterday I did Croton Peak. Well, not exactly. Watch Zachary Teague's video for the summit itself. It's further over this way. But it was hot. I thought I lost my mojo. I was almost to the top, set up my antenna, and then by the time I was done, I had a headache. On the way up, I had cramps. I left, well, I couldn't even make it to the parking lot because there was mud. There's been a lot of rain up here, 5 inches over the last few weeks. It's late September 2019. And so I hiked the rest of the road, crossed the mud, through the washes and so forth up, but by the time I was on the actual ascent, I was feeling it. Headache, cramps. I went through a lot of water, about a gallon. Today, I went through, let's see, about 37 ounces to get up here, and I've been up here for a few hours doing radio work. Got probably 80 contacts from up here, mostly on Morse code. But anyway, it's about an hour 15, hour 20 up. So I didn't lose my mojo. It was just really hot yesterday. I think about 92, 93 when I started, and I don't know what it ended up being. It took me a long time. But this is an excellent trail. I've been looking for it, but I really can't see it from here. Just down there. A lot of it's shaded. So if you want to go off trail, this is the place to go. I've had a couple campground hosts at the basin ask me how to get up here, so I'll probably take a video down there. But the trick is just finding the start. If you find the start and just follow it and look around, when you think you've lost it, a lot of times it'll follow a wash. What a gorgeous day. It's not that much warmer than the start. It started about 70 degrees. Pretty warm through the night. I don't know, maybe it's 80 now. 1 o'clock perhaps. Casa Grande.